Yeah!
What is going on today? Chat surprise stream. Surprise. Decided I just wanted to stream at the last second here, so crazy to see all you people pulling up for today's coding stream. What is going on, everybody? Guys, today, what I decided to do, because I was literally like, I'm sitting here, I'm kind of bored coding every single day. And I'm like, you know what? What if I just open up a stream and say, chat tells me what to code? Like literally, just like whatever. You put into the chat like some suggestion, like what you want changed with the game. And if it's a good suggestion, I'll just do it. Just like right now, live. What do you guys think about that? Is that crazy? Or is that a good idea? A little crazy? Good idea? Nice. Make the ball limit cheaper or remove it. Okay. That's not a suggestion, unfortunately. Please add French because there's a lot of new players for my country. Is your country Algeria? What's your country? What is your country? Let me know and I will consider adding French. I think I have the French translation file ready. So I might be able to add French. Is that like a super important thing? Let's look at Twitch chat. What's up, Twitch chat? A cool look of PvP design would be America and the USSR with like missiles or swords and guns. Interesting. Well, I can't draw. All I can do right now is code, really, so Has to be things that are codable. Make cheaper by 1 gold. Make what cheaper by 1 gold? Algeria. Sharpicus, did you know I'm revamping like all of my old sprites right now? I did not know that. WU? I thought they were pretty good. I don't know why they need a revamp, but I mean, that's how artists are. They just be like, they're never satisfied, is what it is. I wish there would be like department balls. What the heck are department balls? Yeah, so what I was thinking of doing today, the first thing I was thinking of doing actually, and if you give me a second, I actually want to quickly get started on this, is fixing this massive problem, which is inventory space. I have 4,395 things in my inventory. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, that can't be. That can't be. So, we gotta fix it. We have got to fix it. And the way to fix it is gonna be fixing fragments. Today we're gonna fix prestige fragments. Because some people have like hundreds of prestige fragments, but they have no bag space. So, yes, we're gonna fix that first things first. Guys, give me just 1 second to just get started here, and then I will engage with chat. Just give me 1 quick second. Just want to get started here. Okay. So the idea basically is we're gonna have this new item, which I'll show you guys in a second, called the fragment pouch. And the fragment pouch is gonna allow you to store 100 of these prestige fragments in the pouch, which only costs 1 of your inventory space, so that you're gonna be able to have much more, you know, inventory to work with. Because I think a lot of players like literally can't even use their item bag at the moment. Okay. I want to, give me 1 second here. VI is 6, right? Yeah. One second. One second. All right, one quick second over here. I'm just uploading the assets for the fragment pouches that Green Hen Ben drew. I think it was Green Hen Ben. Okay. All right. Let's see. What is chat? Let me catch up on chat. Okay, I'm back. Let me catch up on chat, guys. I also need to figure out how I can set up the chat so I can see it. Should I just make you guys freaking huge? I think I'm just gonna make you guys massive. There we go. Now I can actually see you guys. Or if I put you guys over here. There we go. Much better. Okay. 1 second, guys. 1 second. All right. Okay, so this doesn't make it that much easier for me to see you. All right, here we go. Please make American Civil War banner because August 20 is when the peace treaty was signed. Interesting. Not a bad idea. But how many balls can I put in the Civil War? I definitely want to put Confederate States of America, though. That ball has to come into the game because that'll be very popular. Add Jersey Ball and, like, other Channel Islands, please. They barely have any recognition. I am down. I don't know if we have art for Jersey. I don't know. Do a feature that allows you to puppet other alliances. That's actually very interesting. That's interesting. Sharpie-kun, when am I coming back to the testing program you promised? Did I promise? Did I promise for you to have infinite gold? Infinite free gold? Did I make such a promise? I don't remember making such a promise. Sharpie, are you thinking of adding capitals? Yes. I saw that suggestion, so I'm putting it on the to-do list here. Add RPG where balls work like angry birds. Chat, what? Chat, what are these suggestions, guys? Are y'all good? Are y'all good? Y'all are like, yo, suggestion, make Angry Birds. I want to chat with my friends without alliance chat. Yeah, I could add one-to-one chat. I was worried people would just like flame each other, but maybe. I have a fortune cookie. I'll tell the fortune, so it says, trust your instincts this Sunday and make bold decisions. Okay, interesting. Sharp, add moderators in the game so that people can watch over the game while you're gone. Without AI moderation. Okay. You don't trust AI? You trust people more than AI to moderate the game? Interesting. Add a navigator map to see the world and players. But can't you just see the world and players like this? Like, why do I need an extra map? Or is there something I'm not understanding? Like, see, I can see Tiny Pink. Look at that. Tiny Pink. Some random place on Earth. Tiny Pink, Bay Area Empire right here. And I have only 1.8 kilometers. If I bump that up. Yeah, it's freaking... Apparently this place is like one of the most contested places, and I'm just in some random spot. My idea is 1, friend chat. Friend gifts where you can gift your own clay and gold to your friends, and 3 alliances can ally each other better than the truce. Would have been a cool option. Friends chat is requested a lot, and like I might do it, but the thing is, sending gold to each other is like kind of easy for people to make alts and like kind of farm gold. Not great. Probably not very healthy for the game. Could you check out Jersey? It's pretty big and contested. New Jersey or Jersey the island? I have a fortune cookie that says Sharp must give me EU. Okay. Let's see what else. What programming language do you use to code? We use a lot of programming languages for Polandball Go. Golang, JavaScript, Python. We use a lot of languages. Sharp, add Pokemons. Do you mean non-copyright Pokemonsters that go inside of non-copyright generic balls? Yeah, maybe I can add that. Jersey the island, which is like about a bunch of nations. It's like about a bunch of nations. Yeah, I can go check that. Why is Bangladesh a mountain type when the whole country is a literal river delta? What is Bangladesh? Is Bangladesh actually a mountain type? Wait, is that true? I'm about to learn something today. Also, this game looks crazy on an iPad. Why is it so wide? It is so freaking wide on wide mode. I gotta block wide mode, honestly. Y'all cannot be playing on wide mode. Alright, where's Bangladesh? There it is. Oh yeah, you're right. Storm Mountain. Because look at the art. Adi Bloba drew it up in the mountains, so it's freaking peak. It's gotta be Storm Mountain. Sharp, add a trading system. Yeah, trading is not something that's gonna get done today. Guys, can we get some good suggestion, please? Chat. Can we get a good suggestion? Trading is gonna come, but maybe not right now. Yeah, that's so wide on iPad. This is like crazy. This is the widest thing I've ever seen in my life. Section in the decks that allows you to see all of the balls all at once for convenience. Guys, this is way too wide. I don't know what the heck. The reason I separate the decks out like this is because if your potato phones cannot handle all of the like 600 balls all on one screen. So that's why I separated it out. Add a state ball banner. Guys, we have a state ball banner. We have this one right here. Where is it? Liberty or death. Yeah, state balls. California, Tennessee, Colorado, Connecticut, New England, New Hampshire. We got state balls. We got state balls. Release it on the 4th of July? Yeah, that's a great idea. We probably will do that, actually. For the 4th of July, we'll definitely bring back Liberty to Death. Maybe have random country balls appear on the map, and you can turn them... You can run on them and choose a country ball to fight it. Make it more like long damage is a bit less, so it's turns... And if you win, you get rewards. Yeah, that's actually not a bad idea. Maybe some sort of like enemies that appear, like CPU enemies that appear on the map. That's what we tried to do with raids. That was like kind of the purpose of raids, you know. I abandoned 2 of your equipment to recruit a mimic. Put mimics on your profile, please. Interesting. We're probably not going to do recruiting mimics, but mimics on your profile, maybe if you defeat like enough of them. Like if you defeat 100 of a mimic, you get like the profile picture potentially. Could you add a feature which separates alliances from nations? If an alliance is big, you should be able to see the members' territories. Okay, it's interesting. I'm trying to like make it more about alliance play. That's why I have the territories now based on like entirely on your alliance. Does y'all want me to post a pic of a $100 lightsaber I have? Yeah, throw it in the Discord or Reddit and I'll take a look at that. I like Star Wars, so. Or I should say generic space wizards movie. Let the 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 ball be allowed to the older players. That's actually a good suggestion. But I kind of like that older players don't have access. Is that crazy? Sharp was wondering also to add frames to our profile country ball. Ooh, adding frames could be very interesting. Yeah. I need art for that, though. I'm not an artist. I'm just a coder. That would need art. Dude, I don't know if you see this, but I'm having a blast with your game. Really fun stuff. I got one question. Will the past banners ever return? Because I'm interested in the sword and sickle. The past banners are 100% returning. It's a rotation, so they will eventually come back. And actually, not too far in the future. Things will come back. Love GD123. Thank you so much for the 10 zloty. He says, check my account. And checks the Lovavola. All right, this is a coding stream, but I will quickly check your account because you threw in the 10 zloty. So thank you for that. And I'm guessing you're pretty high up in power. So I'm gonna head over to the power leaderboard. And where is Mr. Stalovola? I know you're Polish Mushroom for sure. Let's take a look at your profile on Giga Wide mode. It is so freaking wide. I gotta change this. Damn, you are now at 1.5 million global power. Holy freaking schmoly. All right. 79% dex completion, bro. Are you kidding me? 79%? That's like the highest dex completion I think I've ever seen. What? What do you got for strongest balls? That's a nice European Union with pages. Roman Empire with some asset that's not loading. Why are you not loading? Wait, did my game crash? Hold on a second, chat. No, my game did not crash. I don't know why they're not loading. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I don't know why those images aren't loading. Damn. Yeah. Too many open files. Yeah, my game did just crash. Okay, I think we're back though. There we go. We got the Radiant Cheese. Nice, bro. Oh, we got the Poland too. Very nice. Okay, my game is low-key crashing, guys. Give me a second here. Give me a second to rerun the game. That is going to be a little annoying. I can already predict. Can you add Jersey and Channel Islands? If someone draws it, we will add it. Trust. Add Jamaican provinces. Yeah. Jamaican provinces. Maybe if someone draws it. I'm not so certain that people will draw that, but view the check balls names. Okay, I'll check your balls names once. I just have to rerun the game because it crashed. Not because of the game, because of freaking Android emulators. Hey Sharp, I think I have a good idea. My area is pretty empty, and I think you should add more distance, but you will add a warning if you pass 9 kilometers. And if you pass 15 kilometers, you should add, are you sure? And make it go up to 30 kilometers. Bro, I can add it, but people are gonna just like crash and then complain about the game. So, and crashing, Android Studio really punishes you for crashing. Like, it's the worst thing you can do is crash, basically. Also, let me do this. The worst thing that can happen is if you crash. Android, like, really doesn't like that. Add more solo raids. Yes, more solo raids are coming. Yeah, more solo raids are indeed coming, actually. What's up, your average Swede? What's going on? All right, I have to check. Let me check the names of this guy's balls real quick. Yo, like, let me check on this guy's balls real quick. Add union of alliances in the game, basically coalition for common objective. I do want to do something like that. Yeah, I do want to do something like that. That is on my list, on my to-do list. Okay. All right, guys. 1 second here. I gotta open up my database real quick. Oh my goodness, what now? What? Now what? Hold on, guys. What do we got going on? Failed to load the user's profile. Okay. I realize that you get stuck on this screen if that happens. That's not good. That is not good. Let me actually fix that real quick. If you fail to... Hold on a second. What do we got going on here? Please add Norway Sweden Union. We will. Yeah. We will add the Norway Sweden Union, no question. That is coming. Yeah, that will be coming. Add Lesser Poland. All right. Make an item that allows you to kind of throw away your country ball into the territory next to you. It'd be like remote conquest, but only to surrounding territories. Wait, what's the difference? I don't get it. What's the difference between that and remote conquest? Give me 1 million fully maxed out Nagasaki's and EUs. It's very particular. Sharp, I just saw a bug. My territory master achievement registers the defeated 1-star dungeons as 2-star ones. Seriously? Nah, seriously? Is that real? I'll check on that. Let's check on that today, actually. Almost 7,000 CP Advent EU with pages. It's crazy, yeah. Wait, I'm gonna look at your profile again in a second. Once I get the game back up and running here. Once I get my emulator back up and running, which will just take a second here, I think. Okay, I think we're back. Let's see. I think we're back. Looks like we're doing good so far. Okay, not bad. Let me restart the back end real quick. Nuke this little guy. Start him up. Nuking this little guy. I'm nuking this little guy. I'm nuking his ass. I mean, his bootay. Alright. Okay. Shorp, where's the Libya revamp I made ages ago? Is it a form or is it just a revamp? We can check if it's already in the game. It might be in the game and just cached for you. I'm guessing. Sharp, I'm gonna be leaving for a break after the stream. I'm trying to not be online every day, and I want to say thank you for making a community like this. Thank you for sharing, Clay, and thank you, Bredolphin the 19th for those kind words. I really appreciate it. It's words like that that encourage me to keep doing this every day. Seriously. All right, let's see how the item looks. Let's see how the item looks. Fragment pouch. Okay, there's our fragment pouch. It's not, hold on. Where is my image? Where is my image? Did I misspell it? Fragment pouch. Fragment, P-O-U-C-H. P1-pouch.webp. Nandi. Nanda. Nanda. Nani. 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 Nanda mo nai? Nanda desu. Nani? Why are you not appearing? Hello? Hello? Prestige. Fragment pouch. P1-pouch. P-O-U-C-H. Nani? Give me 1 second, guys. What the hell? Prestige. Ha. Prestige fragment pouch. Chat, what the helly? What the helly berry? The helly berry? The helion? Okay, well, I see a lot of things aren't appearing actually, so let me refresh. Polandball is absolute peak game. WU Martin Zania 2015. WU. Add an ancient country ball banner. Yeah, we want to do that. Yeah, we'll check out Jersey in a second. Yeah. I will check out Jersey in a second. Okay, let's see if the freaking image loads. Well, why are my shardlings not even loading? Like, hello? My dungeon pa- Wait. Wait, what? Hello? What the hell? Hello? Interesting. Maybe this account has like way too many items or something. It's probably the situation. Just dies of having too many items. Yeah, that would make sense. Give me crazy idea. Give me access. Okay, yeah, I can give you access. I got you. Yeah, free access, no problem. I got you. Let's try on a different account. Let me. Hold on. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. Oops. Wait, what? Wait, what? There we go. There we go. We're back. Okay. Add Ottomans as mythical? Yeah, Ottomans are coming. Yeah, Ottomans are indeed coming. Hold on, guys. I gotta get this guy. Hold on. 35330. M643530. Are those O's? Oh, they're zeros. M643 53. So confused. Oh, it's a that's 1 O and 1. That's 1 0 and 1 O. That is pretty heinous, honestly. Add me and give me access. Yeah, for sure, for sure, for sure. I got you, little bro. I got you, little bro. No, my fragment pouches. Why are you not appearing? Fragment pouch. Fragment pouch. I just got a legendary like 10 minutes ago. Which legendary did you get? Which legendary did you get? Make it a mythical that sucks in MS Paint and then give them all that? Dude, you have no idea how much mythical begging. Add a ghost type ball to counter missing mimics. Trusty. True, by the way. Missing mimics, that's totally a feature, not a bug. Why is Euro mapping going monkey mode in the chat? Euro mapping. I got Dissolved League of Nations. Nice, bro. That is a nice hit. Did you get Ice type or which type did you get? I think it's Ice and Wind, right? Ice is the one. You're the best. Keep it up. The great work. Thank you so much for the nice words. Appreciate it. Why are we going monkey mode, guys? Something wrong? Why the monkey mode? We got monkey mode? Please notice my idea, boy. Boy. Make that you can use the camera's phone so you can play while seeing the IRL world. That is definitely one of the crazier ideas I've heard in a while. That is definitely one of the crazier ideas I've heard in a while. Also, I also have a bug where raid preparing for the next round takes forever. Alberto Danchui, or I like to call it Alberto Danucci, bro, that is fixed. Update your game. That is fixed if you update your game. Hey, Katalea is in the chat. Groeten von Katalea. What is up, Groeten von Katalea? Alright, guys, my front end is freaking having a problem right now. Give me a second here. Everything but the fragment pouches are appearing. Yeah, I mean, come on. Come on. Why? Oh, no. Why are you not appearing? Hold on a second, guys. Make a trading system, yeah. Add a tiny chance to get a form every time you roll a ball. Tiny chance to get a... You already have a chance to get a form. You do already have a chance to get a form. Alright, 1 second. Okay. Add Alpine region to the game, please. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Sure. Why not? Why not? Okay, I gotta figure out the mystery of the items not appearing. Oh man, it's a mystery. It's a mystery. I think I have an idea. Just give me a second here to fix this. I think I know what's happening. Give me 1 second. Pouches. I'm just spelling things wrong. Adi Bloba says, y'all behave, now bye. Yeah, listen to audio bloba. Listen to the bloba. Snug. Snug. Alright, let's see if that fixed it. Can you add form to ban someone from the alliance? True. Oh! Hallelujah. 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 We did it. We freaking did it. Chat, we are expert coders. Le coding. We do le coding here and there. Oh yeah. 6. A little bit of counting. 6, 7. Boom. Boom ba. I'm crying because, bruh. The fragment. What the hell? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What? Hello? P1 and P2 are looking fine. Oh, wait, what? No. P1, P2. What the hell? Ugh, come on, chat. Come on, chat. Oh, I got it. I forgot to count. It's 193, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. You like the look of the pouch? You think it looks cool? Yeah. I think the pouch looks right. Oh! Pouches! We're pouched up. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Why is 7 missing? Why is 7 missing? Genuinely. What is going on with prestige pouch? Oh, it is good. We're good. There we go. Beautiful. Mwah. 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 Beautiful. Beautiful. Chat. Is this perfect? Make a pack for the 250th anniversary of America, which includes all states, and they are celebrating like Texas is launching javelins instead of fireworks, and New York City has a prison full of teens. What the hell? Yo, Sharp, I am in competitive C++ in Bulgaria. How can I help or be trained to help you code, bro? You want to help code? Are you a sociopath? That's crazy, bro. You would come. I mean, masochist. That's the word I'm looking for. You would come endure this suffering. Oh my god. Hey, Sharp, please balance the remote territory conquest feature because a ton of people are complaining about it. Yeah, you do? Oh my god. Okay. Chat, do we like this? I think we like this. I think it looks fine. Do I need to change the style? I think the style looks fine. Deposit the 100 fragments of its matching tier to save inventory space. I should change the wording on that. Yeah. Nice. Nice. I think that'll be really nice for you guys. And now we gotta do some counting. How many items do I actually have? Are the pouches correctly filtering out the fragments? Let's see. Sum of the quantity from user items where user ID equals 226. Yeah, it looks like it is filtering 11,000. So let's see. 400, 400. So this is like 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, let's say. So 1,000. Yeah, dude, we are in business. Fragment pouches, baby. Hell yeah. Wait, I can delete my fragment pouch? Deleting your fragment pouch would be so insane that should I just make it not like something you can do? Yo, Sharp, read the Twitch chat. It's like an old saying, a small step for Sharp, a big step for Twitch chat. Yo, Thursday live, and I'm finally back to the game. Oh, hell yeah, Tino's back. Hell yeah. Haven't seen Tino in a while. Okay, blacklisting. Okay, guys. You want me to... Sorry, you want me banning people? Let me add it to the list of to-do list. That's actually not a bad suggestion. Banning people. Alright. Guys, I just need to checking some other games here. Would it be crazy to let you delete your pouch? I think I should not let you delete your pouch. Yeah, I'm just gonna not let you delete your pouch, I think. Let me look. Just looking at some other games, see what they do. Yeah, I'm not gonna let you guys delete your pouch. Play Pocket Monster Go. Pocket Monster Go. Pocket Monster Go. Pocket Monster Go. All right. Sharp, say some random thing to be a meme in the community. I'll have to think about that. Sharp, you should play Trump Go. Trump Ball Go or just Trump Go? Is Trump Go a good game? Should I try it? Trump Go? Will there be a code at the end of the stream? Not begging, I ain't a beggar. I ain't a beggar. Hey, listen, buddy, I ain't a beggar. I'm just, just asking. Yo, code? No, listen, I'm not begging. I'm just, listen. Code? Hey, code? I'm just asking. Listen, I'm just asking questions here. Code? Maybe. Code? Yeah, it's valid. Listen, I get it. We all need clay. Including me. We all need clay. He's so gonna forget Jersey. I did not forget Jersey. Don't worry. I did not. Guys, do you think the item bag needs a visual update or do you think it looks fine? I honestly think it looks okay. Could use a touch up, but I think it actually looks okay. Cool. Fragment pouches. I think, yeah, there we go. Now you can't delete them anymore. That's great. Great. Fragment pouches. Done. It looks fine in your opinion? Okay, great. Yeah, it looks fine. Okay, cool. That makes life easier for me. All right, let's add some more solo player dungeons actually as well. Sharp, my alliance finally got to top 10. Which alliance is that? Which alliance are you? Let me take a look at alliances real quick. Top 10. Oh, cool. Nice, bro. Damn. Maybe, you know what? This page could probably use a visual update, honestly. Guys, I totally see what you're talking about with like on Android. Sometimes the images are like not loading. Yeah. It's a little unfortunate. It's a little unfortunate. You made your friend join Polandball Go? Bro, W you. We need to get more friends, more people playing Polandball Go, guys. Seriously. Seriously. We need to grow more. We need to keep growing. Uh-oh. My game crashing? Wait. What did you call this? Poland in space? High social credit? I got 4 friends. Nice, bro. Yeah, guys, we need to... Listen, we need to all come together and find a way we can keep promoting the game, keep growing it. We need to keep growing. We need to keep growing. I'm trying to make... We make a lot of YouTube shorts, but, like, we need more avenues, you know? Hey, Sharp, I'm still working on my Guts Black Powder with Country Balls. The name of the comic is Confederation of the Undead. It's not the best, but not the worst. It's also my first comic. Dude, when you finish your comic, please send in the Discord or Reddit so we can take a look at it. I'd love to see it. Sharp, also, do you know this Welsh town exists? Yeah, I do know that tab. I'm not going to try to say it, but I am familiar with that town, actually. I know that town. Okay. The heck was I gonna do? What's next on our list, guys? What is next to Reno Pepperino on the list? Well, I mean, I should test Prestige Fragments a little more, to be honest. So let me just test them a little more. Let's see. So if I... Okay, let's try using some. How does that work? I think it'll be fine. Let's go over to my balls. Guys, so let's go take a look at my balls. Do I have any big balls? I do. I have 3, 2. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's go to my items here for a second. Let's take a screenshot of this. Okay, throw it in the Discord. Oops, forgot to take a screenshot. 1 second. All right. Okay, so now let's go feed a ball and see. Let's like prestige up one of our balls and ensure that the fragments go down appropriately. So let's do New York to P4. New York City. New York City. I don't have enough. Okay. Okay, I don't have enough. So we'll do Turkey to 3. We'll go Turkey to Prestige 3. Nice. Okay, nice. Now let's see if my Prestige 3 went down. 81. Nice. Okay, the next thing to check is that the limit is being like the limit is actually correct. So let's set the for this user, what's this user ID? 226. Make us able to choose the ball attack types. Hell nah. Hell nah. That's way too OP. That is OP. That is OP. Capital O, capital P. What the heck is my item bag space? Item capacity is 150. Okay, set item capacity. For users, table row with ID 226 to 580. Item capacity should be 585. 585. Great. I want to do some design for Savory Region Ball. Savoy Region Ball. Okay. Yeah, bet. Do it. I have a question. Are you a country ball? What? 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 What does that even mean, bro? Bro, Chacho. Sunyon. Sunyon rings. Yo, Sunyon rings. Sunyon rings. Sunyon rings. That's all I can say. Sunyon rings. All right, 585. So we're 582 out of 585. You know what? Let's actually make that red. Hold on. Alright, Sunyon rings. Hey, Chewy Tap, what's going on? What is going on? We're just doing some coding here. We need Drew Durnil Alliance brother. Yeah, Drew said he might play, bro. Drew said he might play this summer. I mean, he said like months ago, he was like, we were posting on his YouTube videos every single day, and at one point he was like, yeah, I'll play the game, but we haven't heard from him since. So we probably gotta get back on his YouTube videos, like always being like day 50 of asking Drew to play Polandball Go. Yo, can you check what happens if the current fragments are a negative number in case of a future bug which allows players to spend too much? Yeah, let me check that. Actually, good idea. Good idea. Okay, first let's check the capacity situation because I feel like this will be sus. So let's try this. So if I go to the shop and I want to buy some fire orbs, so 583, 4, 5. Okay, I think it's actually working just perfect. Actually, yeah. I think it's actually working perfectly. Purchase? Purchase? Yeah, I think so. That worked. Interesting. That worked. Nice. The next thing to test is, can I buy from the shop? Can I buy things from the shop? Okay, looks like I can buy things from the shop. Which, that might always be the case. Actually, I don't know. Holy crap. Go away. Okay. What else do I need to test here? The event. Can I grab things from the event pass, maybe? By the way, when the balls released for the World War II pack, it gave me a new skin for the British Commonwealth, even though I didn't own it. It went away. Just a bug. I wanted to tell you. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I actually know about that bug. That is Leviticus's fault, by the way. Blame that guy. He uploaded the wrong art by accident. Damn it, I need one more tier. How can I get one more tier? How can I get one more tier? Anything I can do? Rank up one ball to 6 stars? Alright, we'll do that. Okay, that looks better. 586. Let's rank up one ball. My balls. Hey, Lithuanian Mapper 123. What is going on, brother? What is going on, bro, Chacho? Goodbye, Ching. It was nice knowing you. Goodbye, Qing Dynasty. Qing Dynasty being fed to England is definitely ironic. That is definitely ironic. Qing Dynasty being fed to England. Can you make a crafting system? Yes, crafting is coming. Yes, 100%. Mechanic to downgrade prestiged balls. What? Why on earth would you want to downgrade your prestiged ball? Can I grab this? Or am I full? Okay, good. 586 or 5. Dude, hell to the yeah. Looks like it's working. What is the rarest ball in the game? The rarest ball in the game right now is there's a Leviticus made a video about it. It's on our YouTube. There's like a bunch of super rare balls. I think like Mongol Empire. Only beta players have the Mongol Empire. Potentially. Okay, the last thing to check is the quest. And I think we can check this one off the list, guys. I think we can check this one off the list. Oh, I'm not getting all the way down to tier 5. All right, let's just check it off the list, guys. I'm sure there's no problem, right? Right, chat? I'm gonna check it off the list. Off the list, let's do it. All right. This one is done. What's next, guys? What is next? Done. Next. What's next? What's next? What's next? Banning people? Maybe. Maybe not. What do you? Banning people from alliances, not from alliances. We can already ban people from the game. Like banning people from your alliance. Yeah. We could add that. Yeah, banning people. Any other ideas? What else do we need? Leaderboard. What's wrong with the leaderboard? Leaderboard's peak. Leaderboard's peaker de gallo. Kinda. Make the territory viewer limit way higher. 9 kilometers is small, bro. 9 kilometers is not small, bro. What else, guys? What else? 50% prestige points refund when deleting, sacrificing a ball. That's crazy. Add ball decks completion. Add background art to the item menu. That's interesting. I don't know what art we have that would be good, but it's actually a good suggestion. That could make it look a lot nicer. Guys, should I investigate this issue where some of the like things like they don't appear? Like some of the like icons are missing on Androids? Or should I just be like, eh, whatever. Wait, I missed what you said. Something like in... Can you say that again? You said something like in Supercell games? Repeat that? It disappeared too fast. I missed it. Add the tutorial balls to the decks. Interesting. Adding minimum territory requirements to be able to join an alliance. Yeah, that's not a bad idea either. Make joining alliance easier because I'm alone in my alliance. Yeah, well. I can't... Yeah, the tutor balls are not in the mimic decks right now. Because... So those are tutorial only, and then they're gonna come back as like really strong bosses later. So they'll be added to the decks once they're like given their real forms. I'm done begging for EU. I don't care anymore, bro. Yeah, the tutorial those are like the tutorial versions, but the same art I'm gonna have them be like an actual boss later. No, I mean, we can use more forms, but I can use those same forms. Like, in the tutorial, they're just kind of like teaching you. Like, they're the tutor version, but then it's like you actually face them later, I think is the way to do it. Yeah. And they'll be way hard. They'll be way stronger. Yeah. We don't need new forms for them for that. Like, we'll use those as like the base form. We can have like bigger forms of them later, for sure. I want to be a tutor. Well, if you want to be a tutor, you know, you can... I don't know. You can find I don't know, make one, or I don't know. I don't know if we need more tutorials. I think our tutorials are pretty good. Can you check Jersey now? Sure, I'll check Jersey while we think of the next thing we want to code. Jersey Island? Is that what it's called? British Crown Dependency. Oh, you know how I can get there? Maybe I should do this. Jersey Island. Wait. St. Helier? Is that what it is? Is that the city? Yeah, that's the city. Alright, here I am. In Jersey. I landed in a place that someone owns? What? Are we kidding? I landed in a place that someone already owns? What? Get that off my screen. What? What the hell? That can't be real. Hold on, I gotta change. Did I just see what I think I saw? No. It's... What? I'm changing that, bro. Hell nah. Hell nah. There we go. Dude, what the heck? Painter jump scare. Painter jump scare. Anyway. Nice. Surprising there's so many people playing in Jersey. Yes, American Civil War pack. Yep. On July 4th, drop the Liberty to Death. Yes, we will. We will. Check Tanzania. Do we have players in Tanzania? That'd be awesome, dude. I love Tanzania, by the way. Great place. Let's go look in Tanzania. Guys, I'm in the middle of nowhere in Tanzania. There's no way. Okay, yeah, that was like instantaneous. Alright. Where in Tanzania? Let's see. Nope. Wait. Nope. Listen, I'm here. In the big Tanzania. Scar through an Adono? Wait, let me look. I missed it, I think. Well, I see 25 Zalotti from LoveGG who says, check Stalovovola and now Deba and Tarno Brzeg and my post about my country balls on PBGO YouTube community. Okay, I'll definitely check that. Let me head over to Stalovovola. Thank you for the 25 Zalotti, by the way. Let me head over to Stalova. Stalovovola, Poland. Did you ever, by the way, did you ever get it, that guy? Did you ever finish off that guy? By the way, apparently I missed a, oh, Skata, two euro from Skata says, add my old artwork, my old art reworks for Micronesia and Tennessee. You have reworks for Tennessee? Dude, that'd be awesome. I'd love to take a look at that. Make it so the stronger the ball is, the more land it can hold. That could definitely be interesting. Is Stalovovola gonna crash my computer, bro? Is this gonna crash my game? Holy freaking shkamoli. Holy where is Polish Noobs, bro? There used to be someone here named Polish Noobs. Where is he? Bro, what happened to Polish Noobs? We made a whole video about him. Is he gone? Did you just erase him? What's the other place you said to check? Deba and Tarno Brzeg? Okay, let's take a look at that. Tarno Brzeg, Poland. Rip Polish Noob. Yeah, bro, Polish Noob got just slaughtered apparently. Bro had one tiny territory. You didn't even let him have that. Crazy. Nice. That's awesome. Guys, what is next? Chat. We are not being productive. We are not being productive, chat. Check Georgia. There's a lot of people there, including me. I'll go check, guys. I'll go check it a sec. Check the road. Bro, is this it's gonna be a road goose chase? Oh my god. Oh! No. Okay, we're good. Holy freaking schmoly, bro. What the hell is this? Also, some tiny guy over here, all by himself, in this part of Poland. That's crazy. Bro. Bro, that's crazy. What the hell is going on? Wait, what is this? Another Vola? Another single guy? He just owns one tiny little square? What is with these people owning one tiny little square, bro? Okay, anyways. Dude, damn. Nice work, bro. And we're back to Stalova. We're back to Stalova. Oh my god, it takes me a million years. I gotta leave this mode, bro. It's gonna crash my whole computer. Okay. What is next? What is next? Check all of Bonek's territory. Oh my god. Okay, guys. What? We're coding here. Chat in the hat. We're coding here. What can we code? Is the game perfect, chat? Is the game perfect? Perfect game? Alliance battling? Bro. Bro Chacho. Bro Chacho. Should I add banning people from your alliance? Is that like really important? People want that? I think I'm a leader, so I can't even... Oh my god, I'm not going to implement that right now. Bro Chacho. What else? Check loads. Alright, I'll check loads. But then for real, we're back to coding. Loads is the last place. Then we're back to coding. I'll check all those places. Yeah, maybe after we... What? Bro, why would... Bro, what the hell is this freaking... What is this square? Oh my god. The absolute brick, bro. The Polish brick. Holy Polish brick. This... Imagine spawning in this brick. Oh my god. Spawning in the Polish brick. Do you also have this city too? How are you even getting this, dude? The Polish brick. Oh my god, this whole city has been captured. The entire city, every square inch of this city has been captured. Go north? Alright. It's nothing to Salovola in terms of defenders. Yeah, I agree. If one person came into the city, they could take the whole city and no defense. Add dungeon defeat tasks in alliance quests. That's not a bad idea, actually. Dungeon defeat to alliance quest, not bad. Add sometimes 1,000 CP balls spawn undefended territory. Like unowned territory? That could be interesting. Actually, could be interesting. Pity system. Pity. Yeah, pity is definitely probably something I should add, bro. I gotta do more research on that before I can just add it, though. Should I rework this? Should I... You know what I'm gonna implement? Multiple recruits. Guys, do you guys want 10x recruits? Skaramooch, thank you for the €2, and I think we will probably do something like that. I think that's actually a good idea. Yeah, 1,000, like basically ball spawning in unknown territory could definitely be interesting. No, you don't want 10x recruits? You do want 10x recruits? You don't? Up to 100x? How rich are you, bro? Bavrin Wood, how much clay do you have, bro? Are you like the richest clay person on earth? We do not need 10x recruits. Random ball encounters, like... Okay, but random ball encounters is interesting, but then what would you do, right? Like, what would you do when you encounter one, is the question. 10x and 5x? 10x would be... 100x would be goated? Bro, who are these guys that need 100x, bro? Who are you? Hello? Are you a king? Are you the Clay King? Capture them like Pogo? What, you like spin? But then Pogo, you like spin a ball and throw it at it? But we don't have balls, you know? I don't, just a suggestion. Crazy suggestion. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna add 10x recruits. 10x recruits. Starting at level 16, I think, is a reasonable level. Starting at level 16, you can do 10x recruits, I think. I really got to restyle this whole page, and I'm not looking forward to that. Let's just say that. I'm not looking forward. I have to restyle this whole freaking page. Choose how many you can recruit. No, it's either gonna be 1 or 10, I think. Let's do it, guys. Yeah, let's do it. Enough stalling, guys. I've been stalling. I think I just gotta do it. Yeah, we just gotta do it. We gotta do what we gotta do, guys. I also want the sprites to be bigger, you know? Alright, I'm gonna put it on our to-do list. 10x recruiting. Let's do that. But I need to look at other games, guys. Let's do some market research here real quick. Let's do some market research, chat. I'm going to teach you guys how to be a designer, okay? Hold on. Let me open up a private window. Guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to be a market researcher, okay? Hold on. Alright, guys. Let's do some research. So, what are some games... Guys, what are games that have a 10x recruit? Let's take a look at, like... I don't know. Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel? PAX? Where is the pack screen? No. Here we go. Okay, yeah, I see how they do it. Things, our recruit button is so massive. Probably needs to be, honestly, our recruit button probably needs to stick out a little more. I don't want to do this, bro. My God, bro, Chacho. I don't want to do this. All of a sudden, I do not. Actually, do I want to do this? Is our button even like clear enough? Like I can't even tell. Is our recruit button even obvious enough? I don't think I think new players like are confused, like they don't actually know how to recruit. Potentially. You want alliance search by name? Sinya, you can actually do that if you go to this website. Hold on. There's a fan website called PBGO.fun, and you can actually go and search alliances by name there. How do people not know how to recruit, bro? I don't know. Maybe make the recruit section lighter color so it stands out. Yeah. The recruit button definitely needs a redesign. I'm gonna redesign this whole freaking page. You know what? But I low-key want to switch to a phone though. Basically, I want to make the sprites bigger. But I also don't really want to have to make you scroll through them. See you later, Chewy. See you later. Thanks for stopping by. Make it so feature creators of Polandball Go have their YouTube on their Polandball Go profile so people can find their channels easier. That's actually a good idea. I did intend to do that actually. Yeah, that's a pretty good idea actually. Should I do that right now? It's not a bad idea. Ooh, if you want peace, you can give up or demand territory. That's very interesting. Love GD, what post am I checking? Is it in Reddit? Where am I checking? Or YouTube? Oh, YouTube. Yeah. I will check. Sharp, Texas, over Levy, Finland, for sure. Add a button to link an alliance to a communication server so it's easier to roleplay and stuff. Yeah, actually not a bad idea either. Make it you can have puppet alliances. Dude, I like that idea. on, guys. Should I leave and sleep or do I stay? Hard to say. Hard to say. Always a tough choice. Okay, you made a post. I'm looking for your post. Where is your post? Where is your post? I don't see your post. Can you link it so I can take a look at it? Mishko Vati says I'm being ignored by Sharpie. Wait, what did you say? Sorry, the messages are like disappearing. So just let me know what you said. All right, guys, what the heck should I do? Oh my God. Close this. Nothing important. Okay. Okay, Pika, good luck on your new video. Can you add Asian? Bro, that's in the game, yeah. Asian is in the game. Asian is in the game, yeah. It'll come back in the banner soon. It'll come back in the banner soon. Hint what the next banner will be? The next banner will be... Here's my hint for you. It starts with an M. The concept starts with an M, okay? That's my hint. Alright. What's next, guys? Should we fix the recruit button? Or should we add more? The medieval banner. Oh! Who said that? Who said that? Whew. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? Here's what we're gonna do. Let's add more solo raids. Let's add more solo raids. One, two, three, four, five, six. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's add number 8. The game made me like Country Balls again. I'm so glad you like Country Balls again. No more, yay, more solo raids. I'm on social. Okay. Ban people from raids. That's so mean. Ban little people from raids? Oh my god, that's so mean. They just little players. They want to play. Be nice. Be nice to the little guys. Hey, yo, be nice to the little guys. Because we're not going to do all these raids with one ball, literally. Yeah, they're going to get harder over time. Solo raids will get harder and harder and harder and harder. And less stream, yeah. Less ball. Less ball. Sarp. Love GD, can you send me the link to it, like the direct link? Can I add images to Alliance chat? I'm probably not gonna add images to Alliance chat for safety reasons. I don't want people sending weird stuff. I was scrolling, but I couldn't find it. When you join True Story, they're not that good anymore. Yeah, I want to add some more of these. Let's add another dungeon actually. Chat. Do I do that right now actually? No, probably not. Guys, I'm being so unproductive right now. What can we do, bro? Is my game perfect? Is the game perfect? Nothing can possibly be changed. Delete tanks from the game, bro. Tanks are... Wait, what's harder? Tanks or Locust? I just nerfed Locust down a little bit to 170,000 HP. I just nerfed Locust. What are you using to code the game? I use a ton of different languages. Golang, JavaScript, some other stuff. Locust is still hard. Did you try it at 170,000 HP? Delete raids? What? Delete raids, guys? Is that an actual opinion? Delete raids? Oh, you know what we gotta do? We gotta make sure that apparently battling is super laggy. Let's see if that's actually true. Okay, it's freaking true. This is a lag fest. This is an absolute lag fest. All right, let's fix this. Chatterino, Pepperino, let's fix this. Chatteroni, Pepperoni, guys, let's fix this. Apparently, this is an absolute lagger fest. Yeah, it's a lagger fest. We're gonna fix this, guys. Make sure you give above fourth. Okay, above fourth competition place post. Okay, okay. Let me go look again. Hold on. Let me go look again. Let me go look again. Hold on. Okay, let's see. So he says about 3 days ago after the fourth place announcement. Oh, there we go. There we go. Got you. Got you. Are my balls good? Yeah, your balls are hella good, bro. I saw these, yeah. Nice. Nice. These could be a little better, but they're not bad. This is a great item. This is a great item. Probably one of the best items of the game, actually. Nice, and your Listenberg could get to P1, but yeah, otherwise really good. Nice, yeah, this EU with the brush, that's awesome. And this is the brush that, sorry, this spear breaks shield, so that's also pretty good. And I think this shield applies this spear applies Starstruck, I think, so that's also pretty freaking good. Nice. Pretty good. 10x recruits? Dude, 10x recruits, you really want 10x recruits? Libra. Libra. Guys, does this entire page just need a complete overhaul? Oh, man. Oh, man, dude. Does this entire page need an overhaul, bro? That would suckeroni pepperoni. Maybe. PvP Loki needs a rework, right? Yeah. Agreed on that. Agree on that. 10x recruits? You really want 10x recruits? I mean, I can add it. Add auto attacking in a dungeon when people go AFK. Yeah, I mean, I could do that. It's not a bad idea. I don't really know the best way to do it, though, to be honest. Please make a World War I banner. Yeah, we will make a World War I banner. We will. Okay, my game crashed, guys, so give it a second. I thought World War One banner already happened. Yes. Little. Yeah, exactly. So let's most of these players are new gens, so they don't know about Empires at War. But Empires at War is probably going to get reworked into being a fully World War One banner. When it was first released, it was like a World War One Eastern countries banner. It was like Austro-Hungarian Empire, the Russian Empire, and German Empire. It was supposed to be like the Eastern, Slavic, and Central European countries or nations of World War One. It's going to be reworked into just a general World War One banner, I think. That's what we're going to do. Les new gens. Will there be a French regions banner? A banner dedicated only to the French regions? Probably not. But those French regions, yeah, we will do something for like Napoleonic era. 100%. 100%. So many new gens. I remember a video about the rarest balls from Empires at War, bro. That's OG if you remember that. That's O-Jizzle, bro. That's O-Jizzle. That is O-Jizzle. Alright, let's check PvP. Did I improve it? Let's take a look at battling. I got my Earth to 8,500 CP and I'm wondering... What are you wondering? I mean, it's a little better. It's not like great. It's a little better. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? I mean, that's definitely better. That's no question that that's better. Ad spoofing? What's the strongest ball in the entire game right now in terms of CP? That'd be interesting. I don't know off the top of my head. I'd have to calculate it. Like, I'd have to find it. And yeah, it's something that could be interesting to add to the game. Like a single ball leaderboard of like how strong the strongest ball is. Could be really interesting, actually. All right, this is definitely an improvement. It's not perfect, but it's an improvement. Maybe it needs more improvement, honestly. I think it needs to be improved more. What? Well, why am I getting a message about battle tokens in the middle of a battle? My Earth has this many equals M, and it's only level 23. E equals RN. Oh. Please add World War 19,539 banner. Nani? Nani? No, genuinely. Nani? You plan to make mimics obtainable like from a banner or capturing them after a raid. That could be interesting. Capturing them after a raid could be interesting, actually. Okay, this is already better. Wait. That's much better. Please add master banner or current world balls. All current world balls? What is the friend code of my test account? Bro, I'm not adding you to my test account, brother. Heck to the no. Heck to the no. Please add 10x recruiting. Yeah, I might. Let people buy which items for gold? Okay. It would be such a time saver to have 10x recruits. Okay. Guys, let's do it. Let's do 10x recruits. The store is too unbalanced for equipment items being sold. Oh, you want equipment to be sold for gold, obtainable for gold. Okay, that's actually an interesting idea. That's actually an interesting idea, actually. All right, guys, I'm gonna add 10x recruiting right now. Achievement notifications. Like what? Like clay? Like being like having no clay? Like what's it called? Bankruptcy? Add more stuff to the online store on the website. Yeah, bro, I need to add to the website web store. I totally forgot to do that. I need to add to the freaking web store. That's so true. Because I'll add it to the web store. You'll get a better deal on the web store. Because you know, right now in the App Store, Apple takes like a huge amount of. It takes like 30% or something. So if we add to the web store, then we can give you guys a little more gold. Yeah, I will. It shows a pop-up at the top of the screen and get, like, if you get an achievement, it shows a pop-up at the top of the screen. Yeah, like an in-game achievement, or do you want me to connect it to like do you want me to connect it to what's it called? Game Center or like Google Play, you know? Like you want Google Play achievements? In-game, got it. It's a good idea. It's just hard to code. Like that's actually really hard, but it is a good idea. What's the website? The website, he's talking about shop.polandballgo.com. I think. Shop.polandballgo.com. I'll put it in the chat. By the way, there's nothing in the shop right now except you can get some free clay in the shop. That's literally the only thing in the shop right now. I need to add more things to the shop. Right now, you literally can, all you can get is just some free clay. Maybe keep the in-game achievement notification in the backlog. Yeah, I'll put it in the backlog for sure. For sure. Yeah, let me write it down right now, actually. Master banner revamp. Yeah, we're gonna get a we'll get an update to the master banner soon. Yeah, for sure. That is happening for sure. Sharp, give us better secret codes. You know a code. I don't know a code. Better secret codes. When will we have the update? Which update do you want? The fix for PvP? The battle PvP fix? That'll be available once I push this tonight. For Android and for iOS, it's fine. So this is not even an issue. For prestige fragment pouches, that will come probably next week, maybe Friday. And what day is it today? Wednesday? So Friday, I think. Boost. Yeah, I got you. Make the boost codes. Yeah, okay, got you. Oh, it's Thursday already, so I might be able to get this out Friday. Let's see. Lissa says B-O-A-R-D. B-O-A-R-D. I think Prestige Pouch PvP fix and banning and unbanning people from the Alliance. Banning and unbanning people. Oh, bro. Banning and unbanning people. I know I need it, but it's annoying to make. I can make it, though. Let's go on a different account here. 1 second, guys. Can you add offline mode? What on earth would you do in offline mode? Like, legitimately. Trading? Yeah, trading. I need to think more about trading. I can't just implement that. You're so excited for 10x recruits? Bro. What the hell, Barry? How clay wealthy are you people? You people be begging for clay codes, and then you also want 10x recruits? Like, hello? How much clay do y'all have? Gazillion clay? Y'all must have a trillion freaking clay. I'm now quadruple checking the final Bulgarian translation. Please let me know. Tell me if there are any dialogues. Yeah, dude. Let me update the files today. Actually, I can update. Let me update the files right now. Actually, let me update the files right now because they actually do need an update. All right, guys. Let's check on. Let's see how the 10x recruit is. Well, okay. I don't know how to design it, to be honest. I have to think about how to design it. Let's see how this looks. Well, yeah. Okay. That was no good. Let me give myself some more clay. Sijin Pex, huh? We need to communicate during raids. Hey, you have emotes. No? Emotes not enough? Sharp cheating in PBGO. We need chatting for tactics? Okay. I might add chatting just for like 3 stars and higher. Okay, I think I know how to fix this, so 1 second. Sharp, do you play PBGO? Yeah, I do actually. How'd you know? How the heck do you know that I play PBGO? Who told you? Yo, my computer is about to explode, guys. Kind of obvious. What about 2-star raids? Y'all need to communicate in 2-star raids? Do you? Maybe. I don't know. I could add chat, but I don't want you guys to flame each other. Are you guys gonna flame each other and crash out? I don't want people flaming each other and crashing out, and I think that's what's gonna happen. Low key. Make us the Lola Lola bundle. All right, let's see how the recruit 10 works, if it works at all. Or if it's freaking slow. I might flame, I might not. Yep. Guys, the freaking 10x rolls is not working out. 10x rolls is not working out. Bro, be saying, who ulted in stage 1? Yeah, I know, exactly. Who ulted in stage 1? You choose from a list of phrases. I would be way down for choosing from a list of phrases. Way more down for that. Okay, guys, I'm giving up. Oh my goodness. I'm way more down for that. I'm way more down for that. I'd be down to give you a list of phrases. Yeah, guys, I could do that actually. Yo, should I make what phrases should I put? Yo, put in the chat. What phrases should I put? Should one of them be? Should one of the phrases be "Who ulted on wave 1"? Yo, I'm actually down to do like pre-selected phrases. That I'm actually down. Who ulted on a stage 1? Yo. Shoutout, will you watch the Summer Game Fest tomorrow? Summer Game Fest? I'm not familiar with the Summer Game Fest. Oh, by the way, I'm getting distracted. I forgot I gotta add your localization files. So let me add your localization files. Hold on. And then, yeah, I'll add Hungarian. I gotta add French as well, man. French, man. French. French, French, French. French, French, French. French, French. Who ulted on the Zirgzanin? Does anyone have Inked, Overgrowth, Splinter, Drowned? You know the status effects make it selectable. Does anyone have Inked, Overgrowth, Splinter, Drowned? Yeah. Yo, I can do that right now, actually. What else? Who else? What other phrases do we know? No alt / player name alt. Remove premium raid passes? What kind of suggestion is that? Remove a feature from the game? Nani? Nani? Let me actually go into a raid for a second. As I said previously, I think "we're cooked" would be a good message. No, bro. So basically, I'm thinking. So when the emote, maybe when the emote screen comes up, I can have like let me think. Maybe next to the emote button, I can put a message button here. Is that interesting? Make the territories, I don't know, I forgot. Okay. Quick chat, yeah. We're right now we're discussing quick chat. I could put quick chat right here. Maybe. I could put quick chat right here. What up, Greenhead? You are useless. I have the phrase "you are useless." I'm crying. Does anyone have applicable status or a player name alt type? Can I apply to be a YouTube chat mod? Yes. Yeah, actually, can you ping... Yeah, Mishkovati, can you ping Leviticus and ask him to make you a mod? Yeah. Totally. I want Alliance Capitals. Why did you use your weakest ball on the boss? Oh my god. I'm crying, bro. Wait. You're saying make more raid passes? Bro, we're so generous with raid passes. You know, Pokemon Go gives you 1 a day. We give you guys 2 a day, including a free remote one. Pokemon Go only gives you 1 in-person pass per day. We are double as nice as Pokemon Go. We're the best, bro. We're the best. How long have I been streaming, bro? Almost 2 hours. Holy crap. I've got nothing done. Pokemon Go fell off? Yeah. You're back in YouTube chat? Welcome back. This is why PBGO is better? Hell yeah. Alright, guys. 2 a day? Royal Angel, bro. Bro, all you need to do is walk to one. If you go to one in person, you'll get a free pass. And if you go to the shop, you'll get a free remote pass once a day. A message along the lines of slime them out or slime them. Guys, this is making me realize maybe this feature isn't that important. Every suggested phrase is like something along the lines of, why did you bring your weakest balls into the boss? And all right, boys, slime them. Sharp, how would capitals work? I can have an opportunity to put mine into the ocean. Yeah, you would choose one. You would choose one territory for your alliance to have the capital, and basically, if an enemy captures your capital, they'll get a big bounty. That's what we'll do. This community is mind-numbing. Oh, mind-numbingly comedic. Save alt for stage 6. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, guys, this is good ideas. This is good ideas. But I need to discuss with Kolash and Leviticus before I actually add these things. I can't just add them, I think. But yeah, I will definitely look into it. I think this is a good idea. Otherwise, I think we got some decent updates here. Anything else? Any small thing we can do to wrap up? Why did you use a comment on the 6th stage? Slime them out would be used like if some low levels join a 3-star raid. Like slime them, like yo, kick them, exactly. Yo, imagine that message just keep popping up. Yo, slime them. Wait, okay, maybe I do kind of want to do this now, but I gotta talk to Leviticus and Kolash. I can't just do that. Yo balls are trash. Yo, add the phrase, yo balls are trash. I'm kidding. I'm dying, bro. Yo balls are trash. Imagine you're in the Yo, what up, silly little Jella? Imagine you're in like the raid lobby and then you're just seeing, yo balls are trash. Yo balls are trash. Yo balls are trash, and then you just get kicked. Bro. Save ball name for mob save. Yeah, bro. I mean, listen. I would love to be able to do that, but that's like complicated. Stop using your mythic on stage 1. Stop. Bro, that doesn't even help you in your run. That literally all that does is inform them what to do in their next run. It's like, it's just BM. It's like, it's not even like, it's not gonna save you. Like, they use their mythic on stage 1 and then you literally say like, yo, stop doing that. It's like they did it. Like, there's nothing you can do about it. Don't fall as fast as the Danes in World War II phrase. Yeah, I don't know about that. Maybe. How about use strong balls in this stage? I mean, that's a useful one. Yeah, use strong balls in this stage. Bring strong balls, like that. Bring strong balls. Okay, I'll do it. I like it. I like how we're thinking, chat. I do have to discuss with Leviticus and Kolash, like I said. Okay, guys. Is there any last small thing, guys? Okay, you know what we should do? Here's what we're gonna do. I know exactly what we're gonna do. Let's head over to the game suggestions and bug reports and see if there's anything we can quickly knock out. Uh-oh. I doxed booster sneak peeks. Whoops. 1 second. Okay. Let's head over to the bug report real quick and see if there's anything we can do. Also, I realize, chat, you're behind the bug report. So, okay, there we go. Okay, let's see what we got. Dungeon bug. Today I won a dungeon in quick claim rewards. With a second I claim and I go back to the game, the rewards aren't delivered to the account. Okay, what else? Leave the distance. For some reason, remote conquest is decreasing my range, and I don't know why. Before the territory I place Reached almost as far as Ciudad Real, and now territory is gonna be more important. Okay, guys, should I fix this? Why you use alt on mob name? Yeah, guys, I don't think those are useful. Like, retroactive, like, why did you do this or that? They can't even answer you. They can't even say why, because they only have, like, the chat. Like, I'm gonna also add an option that's like, because, blah, blah, blah. Like, should I add chat option to, like, because I wanted to, or something? Yeah, I don't think so. Okay, let's deal with this. This is actually a known bug. So, okay, what exactly... Oh yeah, I'm in Stolova Vola. I'm in freaking Stolova Vola. I gotta get out of here. Alright. Okay, thanks for finding this. I will investigate. Okay. Let me investigate on this one real quick. Okay. What else? What else do we got? Can you give everyone Earth? Yes. Prestige 6 Earth? Yes, I got you. Look at my new and improved Mimic in Discord. Okay. Let me see. Green Hen. Oh, damn. Spoilers. Spoilers? That's peak. Okay. Let me get back to some bugs here, though. Okay, game suggestions. Auto attacking for raids. Yeah, I saw this one. Spectator mode. That's interesting. Alliance Capitals. Yep, we got that one. We did this. Make it so Froggy takes 5 times damage from French balls. Crazy. Crazy. Can I be unbanned? My name is Jet07. Can you send an email to support@polandballgo.com and then we'll see if we can get you unbanned? Why did you multi-attack on Novoxia? Please undo the new raid cards. Okay. 3. Oh, I could do this one. Any easy stuff? Bro, y'all asking for insanely impossible stuff, bro. Ban people from raids. Okay. This one should be fixed. That's a good idea, actually. That one is actually a good idea. It's a really good idea. Can you see the messages in civilized chat? What's going on in civilized chat? That's funny. Alright, let me make you a mod. There you go. You've been promoted, bro. Congrats. I just needed the confirmation from Leviticus. Looks like he gave me the confirmation, so we're good. Looks like he gave me the permission. Okay. Let's see what other bugs we got. Leaderboard. Leave the distance of... You're saying don't fix this? Okay. This is actually not a bad thing to fix, actually. Because this is confusing, for sure. It, like, looks like it blocks you. That's a little confusing. I'm working on this one. Working on this one right now, actually. What are dailies? Dailies? Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay. Fair. Fair enough. Add old PBGO music. I can actually change the music. No problem. Wrong amount of stars? Is this still happening, guys? All right, I think that's... Sometimes I just... Got you. Dude, welcome. Nice new badge you got. Fist? Fist, add cheating? Chat, should I add cheating? Is that like a good thing to add to the game? Is that what people want? Do people want like cheating added to the game? All right, let's see. I think I fixed this, so let's take a look. Has it been fixed? Oh wait, let me move this Discord off. Okay, there we go. Okay, so let's see. Has it been fixed? Oops. Imagine I donated $499.99. That'd be crazy, bro. That would fund the game for the next month. That would be extremely helpful, actually. Okay, let's see. Oh, I think it's fixed. I think it's fixed. Chat in the hat. I think it's fixed. Awesome. All right, good stuff. Oops. So that's fixed. We can check that one off the list. Check it off the list. Bonek will be very happy about that. Why is Sharp spoofing? Bruh. Why is Sharp spoofing? I'm crying. See you later, Tanzania 2015. Oh, you're from Tanzania. Right. That's hype. Love Tanzania. Okay, bro, I'm becoming desperate. Wait. Become desperate about what? Wait, what is Twitch chat becoming desperate about? Wait, I've been not looking at Twitch chat very carefully. Let me go look at Twitch chat for a second. He said, Sharp, will you make a European tour? Can you check what happens if the current fragments are negative number? Yes, we did check that one. Am I missing something? Add Yap one. Add the Yap sticker. Should I add as an emote? Check suggestions. Okay, let me head over to the suggestions again. Second. Is there a new suggestion? Okay, yeah, we can look into something like that. Add the old soundtrack. Make quests adjusted to time zones. Yeah, that's actually a good idea. So wait, you want it to be 7 o'clock p.m. always in your time zone? Oh, dude, that's a great point, actually. Wait, that's a great point. The event... Wait, that's a great point. Because the events right now... Yeah. Okay, thank you so much for reminding me. I'm going to fix that right now, actually. I'm going to fix that right this second. That is so important, and I totally forgot. Yeah, great point. Great, thank you for that. That was a great suggestion, guys. I'm gonna fix that right now. Finally, W suggestion. Freaking W suggestion over here. I'm actually not doing exactly what you said because I'm not gonna adjust them for time zones, but I am gonna fix the event. Basically, see how it says ends in 28 days? I'm actually gonna fix that so that it correctly, like, so that when you're only like a couple hours away from the end, it will actually say like ends in whatever 5 hours 3 minutes. That way you don't like, you know exactly when it's gonna end. Great suggestion. What else? Make more good mountain type balls. Is this Sofalux? Is this Sofalux? No. Is this someone else? Who the heck is this person? Arctic. The Pentagon has literally no good mountain type balls. All of them are rare. That is decent. Now is Peru from the Master Banner. Mountain just seems like a forgotten type, and the game deserves more validation. Okay. More mountain types will come. Your wish is my command. Sofalux clone. Something about Alliance chat message notifications. This we definitely got to do. Maybe I'll do that right now. Because Ice got 2 new weaknesses to Chaos and Cosmic, I propose it being good against Mountain. Can I ping you your suggestion? Yeah, you can. You should add ball breeding. Huh? Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse? 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 Okay. Escusa. Add ball breeding is low-key crazy. Like what does that even mean? If you get if you like breed France and Germany, do you get European Union? Is that what we're thinking about? Add shipping balls. We need a pity system. Let's see. What does this one say? We need a pity system at least to have epic plus in any of the game modes. We need yes and even conquest ideas. Simple 10 polls for uncommon to. Okay. Pity system we can do, yeah. We'll do pity system for sure. We'll do pity system for sure. Let's just check the event first. Okay, looks like it's fine. Okay, event is done. So let me put that in our list of our to-do list. Right, remote conquest fixed. Okay. Event countdown is now done. Good. Chat. What the hell is going on? Add pregnant... You guys, what the hell on? Chat, what are you guys... Chat has gone off the rails. Chat has gone completely off the rails. I've never seen this in my life. By the way, bro, how is Wildcat so low ranked with such strong balls? Make it make sense. Yeah, exactly. I can't do 10x recruiting yet. I need a custom animation for it. Trading worm. Okay. Guys, I will say, I think this was a successful day. I think it was a fairly successful day. Any last minute things I should fix? I like chairs and the fact that you look for best on conference. Hey Sharp, why is chat the way it is? I ask myself that every day. I ask myself that exact question every day. Trading would be sick? Yeah. I'll do anything. I'll buy a plushie. Wait, everyone's saying no? Wait, people are saying no to pity? 4 people saying no pity? Wait. Guys, there's beef going on in the pity. Wait, people are beefing about whether or not to add a pity system. I demand pity. Huh. 5 no's to pity? That's crazy. I was thinking pity was like a universal, everyone wants it, but obviously not. 5. Some people don't want pity systems added to the game. Make raids better. Great suggestion. Breaking down shards. Well, guys, I'm gonna release this update. I think this update has some pretty good stuff. I'm gonna put it up for beta testing, guys. If you want to test the beta, join the Android beta. It'll be available on the Android beta. Just gonna bump the version to 3.3.5, so look out for that in the next couple hours. 3.3.5 in the Android beta if you're part of the beta testing. And yeah, I think I'm pretty happy with the update so far. Okay, I just broke it, but no problem. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna wrap it up for here. Add influence basket scaling. That's a good point. I need to do that too. How do I join the beta? When you go to the Google Play console, you'll see the Google Play Store. You'll see the option to like, hey, do you want to enroll for the beta? And you just have to click yes. You probably already did it. Okay, please go to Georgia. Okay. I'll go to Georgia real quick. And then, yeah. Sick 24-hour stream? Wait, why? Why do you say 24-hour stream confirmed? See you later, Bradolphin. Where did you want me to go? You want me to go to Michigan, you said? Georgia. Sorry. You're right. Atlanta? Where do you want to go exactly? Atlanta? I'm gonna guess Atlanta. Georgia's freaking huge, though. Atlanta is massive, though. Look at how, guys, look at how huge Atlanta is. Like, yeah, no, Atlanta is enormous. Look at how far apart, like, this is how territories in the U.S. are always like this. It's so crazy. Whoa, I didn't even notice this. There's a team that's completely white see-through here. Fascist monarchist Finland. Can't even see what they really have. My friend asked me to ask you to check out Warsaw, so you totally should. Okay. Go to Grand Rapids, Michi. All right, let me take a look. You know what? There's a better way to do this. Hold on. Grand Rapids. Okay. Wow. I landed in a spot that's already owned. Whoa! Whoa! What? You never see this, guys. You never see this in the United States. That's crazy. A DDR brick. Guys, like I said, you never, ever see bricks in the United States because the cities are so spread apart. Holy crap. That's crazy. That is crazy. The DDR brick. Oh wait, where do you want me to go next? You said Mirshkovaki. Where'd you say you need me to go? Methoni, Warsaw. All right, I'm gonna go to Warsaw. I landed once again in owned territory. Okay, that's not a good sign. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, this is looking like basically like New York and this is freaking crazy. Oh my god, what a mess. What an absolute battlefield going on in Warsaw. That is madness. Do they have a brick over here? Sharp is Etika? No, I'm not Etika. Oh my god, they just got bricks on bricks out here. They just got bricks on bricks out here. Look at what Savoye. Okay, let me try to find that. What Savoye. Oh, it's a place in France. Okay, let's take a look. Guys, there's nothing out here. This place is empty. There is a little bit of stuff going on over here. United France. There's like not much happening out here, to be honest. Did I go to the right place? I think I went to the right place. I think I'm in the right place. I wonder if we don't have French. We don't have the French language, so I wonder if anyone is playing in Paris or not really. Well, looks like people are definitely playing in Paris. Yeah. That's crazy. Yeah, guess people are clearly playing in Paris. PB goers in Paris. Is that what they say? PB goers in Paris? All right, let me get this update available for Android beta testers. Let's see. I'm gonna go straight to open testing because why not? Why not? You know what they say. When will the update be released to the public? Tomorrow. Tomorrow. I think tomorrow. Oh! Dude, my shoulders are kind of hurting, bro. Too much coding. Bro, if you code too much, you get sore shoulders. Is that real? Oh my goodness. I got my shoulders hurting from sitting here coding all day. Freaking coding. Check Hanoi, Vietnam. Okay. Hanoi, Vietnam. Let's go. I like Vietnam. Let's go. Add AI to the game. That is quite the suggestion. Chat, do you agree with him? Yo, chat, do you agree with Snover? Should we add AI to the game? We can. Should we? That's crazy. By the way, Hanoi is freaking crazy all of a sudden, bro. These places have just gotten crazy recently. I think a lot of new players have been joining the game. Like a lot. Yes, add AI. No, don't add AI. Chat, do we want AI or no AI? How would AI even work? Like, for example, we could probably use, yeah, I don't know. To be honest, I don't know. Heck no? Okay. Check Sioncière, France. Okay. Let me check. Sioncière, France. Add SpongeBob Ball. Chat, do we need SpongeBob Ball in the game? All right, good start. Hey, good start. Good start. What is this team called? The Federation Val d'Arve. Okay, cool. Cool, not a bad start. Not a bad start. Check Fresnes, France. All right, we got a lot of France today. Did we finally break into the French market? Did French people finally start playing our game? For the longest time, France was like, nobody in France was playing our game. We had like tons of players in the Philippines, tons of players in Poland. I'm completely missing France. We were like, is France like not a country anymore? But all of a sudden, we got gazillions. Oh my god, there's a brick over here. Paris Rochellais. An absolute brickski. An absolute Brickorino Romano. Brickorino Romano. Guys, our YouTube shorts have low-key been tanking recently. Guys, I need to show you guys something. Let's have a man-to-man. Let's have a man-to-man for a second here. Let's have a chat-to-chat. Chat-to-chat. I need your ideas, guys. What can we do for our YouTube shorts? What can we do for our YouTube shorts? Oops. My bad, guys. Do we need more diddler? Do we need more diddler, guys? Like, seriously. Look at this. Look at this. 2.3, 1.6, 2.8, 6.8, 4.5, 8. These are terrible numbers. 5. Diddler, 22. Polandball Go top at 7, 9, 11, 20. We were doing fine back here. 8.8. Yeah, we tried something new. Fine. But this has been the worst week ever, guys. Chat, what should we do about this? Use popular sounds and turn the volume to 0 and use false hashtags. Okay. Do we... My only takeaway is that we just need more diddler. Because I had 22,000 views. Yeah. Many don't like it, bro. It got 500 likes. It got 500 likes, bro. Compared to our other videos, like, look at this. That one got 500 likes. This one got 300, which isn't bad. 300, 350, under 300, 100 only. That was a bad video. 200. Yo, brother. I did Yara Yara Funk, bro. Look at our latest video, bro. Yo, go check our latest video. It is Yara Yara Funk. It literally is Yara Yara Funk. Capiche? Capiche? Hey, Ember Tuffy Cones, you should check Borden UK. Okay, let me go check. Let me go check. Borden UK. Let me go check Borden UK. I never heard of this place, but let's go look. Oh, we got our brick on our hands. Ooh, we got a little brick in the making. Union of Hampshire Republics, bro. They got a little bit of a brick going on. They're bricking. They're bricking, bro. That's crazy. Yo, Sharp, we're starving over here. Travel to different countries. Yeah, we'll definitely do like a... Dude, you know what I want to do? I want to do like a Polandball convention and have... Or country balls convention. Have all the country ballers come like to one convention at some point. That'd be sick. Yo, could you please take a look at what is... By the way, guys, if you're not subscribed or following the Twitch, make sure you're following on Twitch and on YouTube, guys. Make sure. What's up, Farhan? Guys, we got everybody coming in today. Everybody pulling up today. What's going on, Farhan? Check South. Guys, I think I'm gonna I just published the build. Well, no, it's on its way. So guys, I think I'm gonna close up the stream here. I think it was a pretty productive day. What do you guys think? Productive? I'd say so. I would say that was pretty productive. Yep. Yep. Yes, agreed. Nice. Very elegant coding day. Nice. Can you check one more thing? What is the one more thing you want me to check? Why are you saying 2 days stream confirmed? What are we talking about? 24-hour stream confirmed. Did we hit 10K subs? I don't think we did. We're at 8.3K subs, so we're not quite there. Please, great short ideas for real. What is your great short idea? Yo, if y'all have great short ideas, please let me know. Please, Big Sharp. Please, Big Sharp. What, please, Big Sharp? Check Discord, Big Sharp. Weapons of mass destruction. What? Chat. Chat in the hat. Sometimes all I can say is chat in the hat. Literally, just chat in the hat. What is chat in the hat talking about? Alright, apparently we got 1 or 2 more bug reports to look at. Let's see. Getting really high competitors in Arena. Every person I get in Arena is always like 600 to 700 on the leaderboard for Arena with like consistent 5 legendaries. I'm around 1,200 and have 2 legendaries. Okay. And then apparently there's a special event quest issue. The Dungeon Master achievement on the special event counts my 1-star dungeons as 2-star ones. Oh, I don't get it. Oh! Oh! Ho, 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 ho. Oh, ah ha 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 ha! I see. Wow. 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 Wawawiwa. Wawawiwa. Okay, guys, so the bug, basically, I don't even want to reveal the bug, because then you guys might exploit it. I'm going to fix it, though. But you can see basically what's happening is, right now, the Dungeon Master quest, 1-star dungeons are counting for the for Dungeon Master, basically. Like, all dungeons are counting for both Dungeon Expert and Dungeon Master. That's crazy. I'm crying, bro. Y'all are crazy. Y'all are funny. You completed the event already, bro? Wait, real fake mini. Did you get a Balsner New Year Epic ticket? Did you get a Balsner New Year Epic ticket, bro? What's up, Nick? NIC Nick? What's going on? Oh, you didn't pay for it. Gotcha. You did? You got Taiwan and you're happy. Okay. Next target, tell Don. Guys, can we please ping Donald Trump and tell him to play? At Donald Trump. Yeah, guys, can we get on Truth Social? Can we get on Truth Social and give him a quick ping? The mayor plays PBGO, show him the massive brick. They're crazy. Can I get mod, please? Maybe. Did PBGO fall off? Hell no. We're at our largest. We're at the most popular we've ever been. We recently hit 50,000 monthly active players, bro. That's a huge milestone. 50,000. I honestly can't even believe it. 50,000 monthly people playing. At this point, you go to any city anywhere and it's completely packed with people. We want Trump to play PBGO, yeah. We hit up the big TD. Yo, Sharp, I have to go. Have a good rest of the stream. I know it's ending soon. Yeah, Mishkovati, thank you for sticking around. Congrats on the promotion. Yo, Zapog, when did you last play? When was the last time you were playing? Because there's been a ton of updates recently. It's like completely new game, basically. So many big updates. Guys, say bye to Mishkovati. What's going on? A few days ago was my brother, but me was a month ago. We tried to count. Have you tried raids before, Zipolk? Have you tried playing the raids? It's a new feature we rolled out like, I don't know, 2 months ago. Also, what feature would you like to see? Like, what would make you excited about? What would make you most excited? Check Santa Marta, Colombia. Okay, let me go check. Santa Marta, Colombia. Hopefully there's a lot of stuff going on in Santa Marta, Colombia. Hey, yo. New Hampshire in Santa Marta, Colombia. Also, why is this place is so dense? Holy density. It's a dense place. Solo raids are impossible. Snover, are you a joker? Are you a jokester? Yo, Snover, are you a jokester? Okay, let's see. So where is the raids? Dungeon expert. Defeat 10 1-stars, 0. Okay. So first, let's go defeat a solo dungeon and make sure that's not counting. A feature you can add is for a rarity. You can select one to have more of odds of getting one. What do you mean by that exactly? I'm rare. 3-star raids need a buff. They are so easy. Like, holy smokes, free equipment, sheesh. Should I make 3-star... Oh, bro, should I make the 3-star raids harder? Is that what you're saying? Hey, yo. Are raids too easy? Do they need to be made harder? I'm down, bro. I'm down. I am down. Hey! Excuse me. Excuse me, guys. Sharp, do you know C++? Yes. Yes, I do. Okay, I think we're good. The only other thing I would consider is... one second, guys. Never mind, we're good. Maybe moving the loading screens to the the content distribution network. Yo, chat, should I move the loading screens to the content distribution network? Is that hype? Yo, is that tough in Polandball Go? Hey, yo, is that tough, Ski? Let me do that, actually. Alright. Guys, which loading screen should we're gonna cut one loading screen. Which loading screen should we cut? Let's cut... Let's cut L6. Let's cut L6. I mean the, Slovenia. Let's cut Slovenia. Fair? I think that's fair. Slovenia. Okay, it's way, the file is way too big though. Let me resize this thing. Alright, 1 second. It's actually great to know. It'd be nice to know how freaking big are the current loading screens. Okay, they're all good sizes, actually. Cool. Actually, this one's pretty big. Okay, cool. They're all good. Add a pity system. Yeah, pity system's coming, guys. Pity is coming. I know some people really don't want pity though. Maybe we'll have to do a poll. But I am planning on doing pity. Unless we get some major pushback. But I don't think we will. There we go. I don't think we will get major pushback, but maybe. All right, now I think we're good. Now I think we're totally good to go. I think we are now completely good to go. Ooh, yummy, yummy water. Stop that useless noise, you'll hurt yourself. Sharp buff, tank? It's too easy? Are the tanks too easy? Do they need a buff? That's crazy. Alright guys. I'm now for real gonna close up the stream. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. And as always, good luck on your rolls, and we'll see you in the next stream, guys. And one last thing, keep helping us get the word out about Polandball Go. All right, guys. Thank you so much for hanging around, coding with me today. It was chill. It was fun. I'll see you guys in the next one.